Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, March 26, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had another one of those mediocre to down days, although the Dow wasn't down. Um, the, the problem is that stocks are, first of all, there's low volume, and secondly, we're not getting much volatility at all. Um, and those things don't help us. Our style of trading, we like to see a lot of volatility. That's where we make the money. And in combination with this very choppy, indecisive market movement is not helping us. Um, you know, it certainly wasn't a disaster today. We actually improved on our equity from what we had yesterday. We ended up closing out those four positions from yesterday with only a $368 loss. That wasn't bad, but we got into eight new positions, four positive, four negative. We are negative $2,800 going into tomorrow on those eight positions. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It gapped up very strong in the morning. Looked like it was, going to move. Even after the first hour, it took out its highs, but then it failed, and then it came back pretty strong right on the close. Still, the Dow overall was up 141, so that's pretty good. But anytime this is actually a pattern we do not like, where we get the big push up right at the beginning of the day, and then after an hour or two it fails, because what happens is we're entering a lot of positions when the Dow is up here, and then as it fails, those positions go to a loss. So 141 points gain in the Dow doesn't help us much under those circumstances. I have no good stocks to show you, but I will show you the one. This is actually the worst position we had, and it's only a $1,400 loss. That's what I mean by low volatility. I mean, if we had high volatility and I'm showing you the worst trade, you'd be talking about four, five, even $8,000 loss. But no, this was only 1,400. This is TQQQ, which is ProShares Ultra Pro. It's basically betting on the overall market. And although it's not tagged to the Dow, it follows the Dow very closely. And you can see the pattern here. We had the gap up open, and we ended up buying here almost the high of the day. And then as the Dow slid, this thing slid all day too. But like the Dow, it also came back at the last 15 minutes there. So we're actually negative $1,400 in open trade equity on TQQQ. But we'll see how it goes. But this is just symptomatic of the problems we're having right now. We can't go buying up here if the market doesn't follow through and move higher after the first hour. It did not today. Now, having said all that, I'm just discussing feelings now. I don't like to trade on feelings, but I just got a feeling that tomorrow might be a good day for us, okay? We've had the string of, crappy, slow days here. Maybe tomorrow's the day. We might see something cut loose. It would be nice because we are negative for March so far. We're not deeply in the red, but if we had a really big day tomorrow and Thursday, we might get into the black by the end of the month. Maybe just wishful thinking, but I can be hopeful. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.